Hey everyone, today I'll show you how to fix Facebook dating not showing up. Let's get started. First, open your Facebook app on your phone, then here tap the three lines or the menu icon at the top. Then scroll down and look for dating. If you don't see it, continue with these fixes. Go to your Google Play Store and here search for Facebook and tap update if available. Then, after updating your Facebook app, go to the settings and click the apps and tap the apps management and find and scroll the Facebook and go to storage and clear the cache. And you can also check your age and location because Facebook dating is only available if you're 18 plus and in supported country. Log out or log back in, then check again under the menu. And that's it. After these steps, Facebook dating should appear if it's available for your account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.